your Meishi card doesn't have to belong to a person. It can even belong to events. So if you're an events company, if you've got multiple events, you can actually create one Meishi card per event. And you can share that out to millions of people, everyone that attends the event. When they walk into all the different entries at the event, you can have the QR code, you can scan it, and that link always stays live. I mean, even next year, so this year it's a 2021 event. Next year, all you should do is you change everything and it will be the 2022 event. The link will always stay the same. So you don't need to every year try to redistribute to everyone that needs your details. So everyone that you've sent it to, all million people will have the link next year. Maybe you can add some more, and that's how you can flood the market with the events Meishi card. So this is Legend Events run by Ferdinand Robbie. He won Big Brother. I think it was South Africa's first Big Brother. Yeah, so Legend Events has their own Meishi card. So everyone that attended this event scanned the QR code, and they made sure that those people saved it to their home screen. And also they sent it out on email campaigns and SMS campaigns and social media campaigns. So they're trying to flood the market, and it's quite a new event. I think it was actually started as a strongman event, but now they do running, CrossFit, quite a few other things as well. This is their Meishi card. They obviously bought it from us. They customized it. They built it themselves. If you swipe to the left, just the usual details of the event. Usually you would have the person's name on the side. So all these details belongs to the event, a little bio about the event, and then all the contact details. And also when I attended that event, when they were setting up last week, Friday, so many people getting lost. So I told Ferdy and Angela, his PA, why don't you just put the GPS coordinates on the card? Everyone's got it anyway. So while we were there, he took out his laptop, he embedded the GPS coordinates, and now everyone, if they were looking for directions to the event, they just hit the GPS coordinates and it'll give them directions to where the event's held. So if they move the event, they're actually doing a new event this Friday in Hermanus. And if you click GPS coordinates, it will actually take you to the Hermanus GPS coordinates. And then you can embed all your social media. They've just got a direct WhatsApp number and then the form. And then on the right-hand side, you can really get creative. So they've got links to their website, Legend Runner, 8-hour challenge. It's another event that they do. Watch now. That was quite nice. They actually showed me at the event. They had DigiTV. And if you click on the DigiTV app, on the card, it's not live now because the event's finished. And you could actually watch this live. You can put in your email address, a password that they give you. You can watch the event live through your Meishi card. So that was quite nice. They had cameras at all the water points at the start. I think they had about 20 different cameras there. We also built check-in forms. So everyone that arrives on race day, they check in with a form. This is the COVID screening questionnaire with all the COVID questions. You can accept the terms and conditions, sign. And then right at the bottom, it says submit and check in. And we actually programmed this to check the runner in on their system. And then once they've run the race, they finished, then they need to check out just so they can make sure that everyone that's entered has crossed the finish line and there's no casualties or injuries along the way. And it says at the bottom, submit and check out. So, this is all possible all through their Meishi card. And then they've got coming soon. And then if you want to become an affiliate, obviously Ferdy and Angela are affiliates of Meishi. Meishi is also one of the sponsors of the event. So you can actually, this links to Ferdy's Meishi card, and you can actually become an affiliate. So everything can be linked together.